How do you create a YouTube channel? Well, it is very, very easy if you already have a Google account. You simply go to Google, type YouTube in the search bar, and you will find youtube.com. And clicking on youtube.com, you will land on YouTube. And then you simply go to the top right, click on your profile picture, and then right below you will have create a channel. You simply click on create a channel, and then you will enter a name for your YouTube channel and a handle for your YouTube channel. The handle of your YouTube channel is simply the address of your YouTube channel that people can type in the address bar to find your YouTube channel. And right here, as name and handle, you can simply, like me, enter your first name and your last name if you want to, or anything else that you would want to name your YouTube channel with. You can also select a profile picture for your new YouTube channel, such as a logo or simply your photo portrait, right? And then at the bottom right, you can click create a channel, and then you will finally have your newly found YouTube channel, and you can start right away customizing your YouTube channel and posting new videos on your YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy this video and you learned something new today with me, guys. Thank you for watching. Click right here to see more tips on YouTube if you are a YouTube beginner. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.